decided to make another video. It is October, it's starting to get a little bit cold outside, so I thought it'd be fun to make some soup. I had some leftover chicken breast in the refrigerator, so I thought, what else can I throw in there? I also had some, a big old package of cilantro in there. I had some peppers from my garden, so I thought, ooh, and I also had 3/4 of a container of this salsa. So, okay, let's go for some spicy, something Mexican. So I'm gonna throw in the remainder of this salsa. I have actually a refrigerator that freezes over, so I need a new seal. So pardon the ice. Keeps it longer. So putting in some salsa. I have a can, 0 points of pinto beans. I've already rinsed and drained. I'm going to add that to it. I also have a can of sweet corn, 0 points again. So everything we've added so far, that salsa, I checked the points. Some salsas do have points, but that one didn't. So we're going for 0 point foods here. And a can of corn, whoopsie. And next I'm gonna put in, I'm making this soup up as I go, so just so you know. This is chicken bouillon, the granulated type. This is Knorr brand. I'm gonna put in 3 tablespoons, which it'll also end up being 0 points because of your servings. 3 tablespoons of that. I might add another tablespoon later whenever I taste it. I'm also going to add in some ground cumin, which is always good. These kinds of soups. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon. See how that goes. Actually, no, that doesn't look enough to me. I'm going to go for 1.5 teaspoons. There we go. I'm also going to add in some minced onions or diced onions. I'm cheating. I'm not doing fresh garlic, but I am doing the chopped garlic and water. I'm going to do, let's do about 2 cloves worth. There you go. About 2 cloves worth. I'm also going to put in some, can't find my label. These are all my little home, there you go, oregano. Probably like a half a teaspoon of that. No, a little bit more. Looks like it needs more. There you go. So probably about 1 teaspoon. Then we're going to put in, I'd say, here's 4 cups of water. I'm going to put in 4 and see where we're at. So I want it to be kind of hearty. You could also, I don't have any, but you could also add in some celery and some carrots to make it kind of a Mexican veggie soup, and you're still at 0 points, but you have this nice hearty brothy soup. Now the other thing is, if you want it to be creamy, which I might do later, is we can add some non-fat Greek yogurt. So here we got some salt. I'm just doing it the way I want, salt and pepper to taste. Some pepper. If you wanted it to be less brothy, you could add a can of tomato sauce also, but I like it to be brothy, so I'm leaving it like this. I've decided that I need 1 more spoon of, just by looking at it I can tell, of the bouillon. So 4 tablespoons of bouillon. So I'm going to chop up my peppers, I'm going to break up my cilantro to get all the leaves off and use those for toppings when I serve it.